Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is the 2024 Omni LV35. It is a Super C. And you're thinking C stands for Class C motorhome. No, it stands for cool. A, because Ford updated the F600 chassis. I love it. I love the new look, okay? So they've changed the front fascia on this. I love that you have tow hooks. We have a new grille. Just a whole new look up front. Still beefy. Still totally BA, and this has the stealth package. So this is going to be the XG32. We have a video on this. We're going to do the LV35, but you can see we blacked out the wheels. Awesome. Blacked out the Thor Motor Coach logo. Awesome. Blacked out the wheels in the back. We have full body paint on these. These are absolutely beautiful coaches. Look at that. Just all blacked out. Looks great. With this F600, so it's still the same 6.7 liter power stroke, but Ford cranked up the boost just a little bit. True 12,000 pound hitch. Absolutely great driving machine. You have selectable drive modes in here. Again, it's 4-wheel drive. And on this LV35, I love this kitchen setup. So in this bay, massive large bay, pass through all the way back. You have this griddle that just absolutely slides out, plugs into your exterior propane connection down here. We'll show you in a minute. Do make sure though that you get this all seasoned in before you use it, or you're not gonna like it if you don't have it seasoned up. So thousands and thousands of videos out there. Read the manual, get it seasoned, make it non-stick, and griddle. Actually, I don't want to say grill. I don't want to offend anybody. I use my griddle all the time. Love it. You're going to love using it. Hose off those greasy utensils with this hose. There's the exterior propane connection right there. You'll run the cable from your griddle right down here. Another massive storage bay for you. Rotocast material in here. You can take and rinse these out. There's a light in here as well so you can see, which is great for pulling stuff out late at night. Couple of outlets down there. You have your batteries. You have your propane in here. This has the 100 watts of solar on board. You can also get this with the Solar Plus package. If you do that, you'll get 500 watts of solar, and then you get 2 additional house batteries in there. So for off-grid, it's wonderful. TV right here, Bluetooth soundbar on a day like today where the sun's making me squint just a little bit. You can use your phone, or you can use Rapid Cam Plus inside to put that awning out, and then at night, there are lights underneath it, and that makes a nice night light for you. I real quick want to talk about a couple of tidbits you're going to want to know. So this LV35 comes in at 36 feet 4 inches. Your occupant and cargo carrying capacity on this is 4,382 pounds. So that is a lot of gear to carry in a motorhome of this size. Walking in, we have our battery disconnect, the on and off switch for our 1800 watt inverter. I'm just gonna dial down the ACs for just a minute. And while I'm doing that, I guess we'll do that right here at Rapid Cam Plus. So from here, that awning I talked about, control your climate like I just did. Ooh, it's only 91. It's delightful in here. There is all of our auto gen start settings. You have a 6,000 watt diesel generator in here. Control your lights, a climate that we've just set. Vents and fans and your slide and your awning, and then you can dial in your mobile app from here, which is going to be Vega Touch Eclipse. So the really cool part about that is once you connect it to your phone, you can control your LV35 from anywhere in the US, Canada, or in Mexico. And Tom, turn around and point it at that bunk from here. You can also do this. Open up your power sky view shade, a massive skylight for this overhead bunk. And we're going to start up here in the back. If you notice under, you have cup holders, a little storage up there. 500 pound capacity. It is huge. Absolutely massive up here. You have your TV. That is on a swing out arm. You can move this. Remember, when you're getting up in here, keep your armrest up. Unless you like surprises, then you can keep it down. So real quick spin through the dash. You have your remote mirrors. This is your backup and your side view mirror. There are cameras mounted on the side here on this Omni, so when you turn your directional on, whatever in that camera will show up right here, left or right. Cruise control settings here. Bluetooth calls. Notice this looks a little different. Ford updated it. It looks great. It falls in line with the rest of their truck lineup, and that's what's great about the way this is set up and why people love driving Super Cs is because it's a truck cab. It's just a Super Duty truck cab, and you feel at home, and you forget you're driving this awesome motorhome here. Over here, dash items, trip meters, maintenance reminders, pitch and roll settings, dial in your trailer brake controller here, radio controls there or here. On this, you're going to have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is going to be the Sync 4 setting. You have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control right up here, HVAC controls, USB-C, USB-A, 12 volt, 2 high, 4 low. Read your manual about 4 low before you just go ahead and shift. There are little steps you should follow. That's all in your manual. 12 volt port here, 400 watt port here, so you can throw your laptop in there and on the go, plug in, connect to the Winegauer Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Get a little work done when you're on the road or stream to the smart TVs. Into the living area we go. Lots of storage. Everywhere you look, all kinds of storage. This is going to be our Cosmic Strands interior and our shell gray decor. The paint we saw is called Crystal Cove. Theater seating. Why not start here? Because I can sit down and I can make Tom stand with that camera, but he can sit down. Just have a seat right there, Tom, while I talk about this. He's been shooting all day and his arms are a little tired. It's 91 degrees in here, but that's all right. We are in a Super C. So we have theater seating right here. Nice storage in here. Pull down blinds. Speakers tied in above. And again, right here, you could go ahead and watch the TV, put your feet up, and relax just a little bit into the dinette. A little bit of storage down below here. Little drawer there for whatever you might need. Seat 4 here at the dinette. You have wireless charging in here, USB-A and USB-C. Cup holders are in here as well. This makes into a bed. So you have sleeping here, you have sleeping up here, and then you're going to have sleeping as we head into the back. Child safety tether right here. You can never go wrong with this kitchen setup because it offers you a convection microwave, right? So this is going to work like your oven. Single burner electric induction cooktop, 2 gas burners, double bowl stainless steel sink. You have this roll-out rack here, this cover, so a drying rack here. Nice countertops, a lot of room, and a lot of storage down below. You have your residential refrigerator. And we talked about your Rapid Camp Plus, and then we go over here into our storage. We have a large closet if this is what you'd like to use it for, a nice wardrobe. You can also take and put a washer dryer in here. It is all prepped for you there. Maybe you need a pantry. There's all the pantry space you could ask for. And into the midship bath we go. We have a radius shower with glass door right back in here. Printed shower surround, skylight. Absolutely gorgeous motorhome. We have counter space you can use. Controls for your water heater right there. We have a porcelain foot flush toilet, a medicine cabinet, room and privacy into your bathroom. And then another feature I always love, the north to south bed. So you have the one slide on here, but you can keep the slide in and still get back here if you have to just pull over for the night and sleep. The north-south bed, large nightstands right over here. Then you have the storage on the side, up above, large closet right over here as well, a TV right behind you. Absolutely great setup. The Bluetooth Coach radio system right in here we had to turn down because who's ever in here before us was rocking out and rocking out hard. 2 roof ACs, which is nice. You have one over the bedroom. Your one-touch leveling jacks are right here and you walk in. This is set up for ease of use, convenience, and a whole heck of a lot of fun. It is the 2024 Omni LV35. When you are ready to build your own, visit thormotorcoach.com.